You've probably heard it before. Say your affirmations every day and your life will change. But let's be honest, that sounds a little too good to be true. I used to feel the same way. I remember standing in front of the mirror saying, I am confident. I am successful. But inside, I didn't believe a word of it. And it turns out there's a scientific reason why. In this video, we'll answer the question, is it scientifically proven that affirmations work? Let's break down what the research actually says and how you can use affirmations to rewire your brain from the inside out. Affirmations are more than just motivational quotes. They are mental training tools helping you reshape beliefs and behavior through repetition. But here's the key. For affirmations to work, they have to activate something called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself through repeated thought and experience. Without that, it's just empty words. Let's look at 3 powerful studies that prove affirmations do affect the brain. Study number 1. Self-affirmation activates your brain's reward center. Falk et al. At the University of Pennsylvania used fMRI scans to track what happens in the brain during affirmations. They found that saying positive affirmations lit up the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, the same part of your brain involved in self-worth, motivation, and reward. Your brain literally lights up when you affirm your values. Study number 2. Affirmations reduce stress and improve performance. Cresswell and his team at Carnegie Mellon found that people who practice self-affirmation under stress had better focus, clearer thinking, and even lower cortisol levels. Affirmations act like a psychological buffer that protects your brain in pressure situations. Study number 3. Affirmations improve real-life results. Sherman and his colleagues at UC found that students from marginalized backgrounds who practiced affirmations throughout the school year performed significantly better on standardized tests. Why? Because affirmations helped reframe their identity from I'm not smart enough to I am capable and growing. So how do affirmations work on a brain level? They activate 3 powerful systems. 1, the reticular activating system, or RAS. This is your brain's attention filter. When you say I am focused, your brain starts noticing opportunities to prove it. 2, neuroplasticity. Repeated thoughts strengthen neural connections. What fires together wires together. And 3, dopamine reinforcement. When you speak with emotion and visualize the outcome, your brain gets rewarded. So yes, affirmations work, but only when used intentionally. Here's how to apply it. Be specific. Instead of I am successful, try I'm becoming more focused and consistent in my work. Repeat daily, especially in the morning or before sleep. Use emotion and visualization. Picture it, feel it, make it real. And most importantly, take action that proves your words. So is it scientifically proven that affirmations work? Yes, but they're not magic. They're a mental conditioning tool, a way to shape your self-image and rewire your mind for growth. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one affirmation you want to make real in your life? Drop it in the comments, and let's support each other's growth. And if you missed it, watch our last video, Why Affirmations Don't Work and How to Fix Them. It's the perfect companion to this one, and it shows you how to avoid the biggest mistakes people make when using affirmations.